Hello and welcome to Lovey's Customs. This is your host Nathan and welcome to Jurassic Park. I'm just kidding, not Jurassic Park. We're out in the middle of nowhere. All jokes aside, we are not at Jurassic Park. We are at my friend Kyle's place, and today we are going to shoot and destroy a working computer. This is what I like to call the nostalgia build. The CPU and graphics card are actually from my friend Kyle's first computer build that I built back for him in 2009. I think it was after our first semester in college. Anyways, the CPU is an old dual-core Athlon. I forget exactly what it is. The graphics card is an ATI 4770, and the hard drive is actually from my first computer build that I ever did back in 2007. The case, of course, is my brother's old thermal take something or another. The DVD drive actually doesn't work, but no one uses those anymore anyways. Power supply, I'm not sure what it's from, but it's a cheap Apivia one. And the heatsink is from one of my old builds as well. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in, make sure it works, play some old 2009 games, then we'll go out, shoot the crap out of it, and maybe even blow it up. Alright, so I've hooked it up, and let's go ahead and power it on and see if it made the trip. Oh, I guess I should plug it in first, huh? Alright. We'll move these somewhere else. Here we go. Oh yeah, he is left-handed, so this is going to be interesting. So, the CPU is an AMD Athlon 2 X2 245 dual-core processor. There's 4 gigabytes of memory. I am running it off the SSD right now because it's much faster. Let's see what game we want to play. Oh, let's do some Left 4 Dead. There we go. The CPU is just maxed out. So we're getting over 60 frames a second. Not bad. Okay. So as you can see, it is working. It's actually not doing too bad for being so old, although it was playing older games. But let's go ahead and shoot this thing up, because I'm actually pretty pumped to destroy this thing.
Hi, welcome to Lovey's Customs. We're about to shoot some stuff. There's the computer. Right over there. It's gonna be fun. Yeah.
Go. Alright.
This thing has seen much better days. There's just a bunch of cables and wires everywhere. It's falling off. Yeah, this is trash, dude. Still can't even run Cyberpunk. Oh wow.
Sounds like there's a lot of broken parts there. Yeah.
Oh Jesus. Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna explode this thing. It's gonna be great.
Oh,
He's got the bomb.
planting the ball.
It actually has to get mixed, but I just wanted to show you all what it kind of is.
Oh, here.
It's gonna get. We'll have to put it in here and mix it up. It'll turn gray. It's an impact charge, so basically, when a bullet hits at a certain velocity, it'll actually blow up.
Okay.
So it's a little bit safer than like a regular bomb would be, or like anthracite sort of deal.
Mm-hmm.
This is by far safer, but it's still an explosive. So of course we still gotta be careful.
Yeah.
There's plastic everywhere.